Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with another activity. In today's activity, I will show you the reflection of light. So let's do it. In this activity, I have taken 5 things. First is sheet, second is plane mirror, third is comb, fourth is a torch. I have taken a mobile phone. You can use any type of torch. And fifth is clips for standing them. So let's start the experiment. First, we need to stand this. Using the clips to stand the mirror. Then standing the comb. And the main and last thing, darkness. We need darkness. So just what we need to light it. We need to observe the path of light rays emitted by the torch. Light from the source of light always travels in a straight line. Here is the incident ray, and this is called the reflected rays.